There's these big, huge birds over here, and they caught something. I'm gonna go see what it is. They got something. Really, look at that thing. Oh, it smells really bad, but oh God, have mercy. Look at them all though. Wow. Oh boy. Let's see if they do when I get out. They're not moving. They're not scared of me at all. They got food there. They're not. Oh, there they go. This is really cool though. I don't want to scare them too much. There they go. Oh, thank God. I don't want to mess with them, man. They might mess with me, you know. They're gonna go hang out for a minute. Oh wow. Oh, he's mad. Look at him. Look at him. Wow. I just want to see what it is, guys. There's something there. What did they get? Is this it right here? Oh my God, have mercy. That's what it was. Okay. Hey, yeah. Okay, carry on. They were going to town on that thing. Wow. Let's see when they come back. Scared them away pretty good, eh? Oh, these rocks aren't too good. Ah, much better sand. They're going back. Oh.